Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gabby, aka Mocha, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're not missing out on any of my videos. Okay, so let's get into today's video. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a banana hair mask on my hair. So if you did watch my previous video, I said going forward, I'm going to be doing natural hair care routines on my hair and just focus mainly on my natural hair because my natural hair goal is to have waist length hair. So to do that, you have to really have a motivation and goal and focus on the problems and issues that you're having with your hair. So I've been having dry, frizzy, shedding hair, and so I've been researching, and a banana hair mask is great for those issues, has a lot of nutrients, and can provide shine, and also prevent split ends in your hair. So if you use that, it's basically kind of like a protein treatment. So it's not only good for eating, it's also great for skin and your hair. So that's what I need going forward for natural hair care routines, and that's what we're doing today. So if you like to see those results, this is my first time doing it, so if you like to see the results, make sure you stay tuned. So there's a million ways that you can try your banana hair mask. You can add in whatever you want to do. I've seen someone do an avocado banana hair mask, a coconut banana hair mask, but for today I'm going to do these ingredients. I have 2 bananas here, which is good for potassium in your hair and helps prevent frizziness, prevents split ends. So this is added in. Apple cider vinegar is great for clarifying and cleansing your scalp and also taking out that buildup product. Honey is good in nutrients as well. Jojoba oil is great with soothing the scalp and conditioning the scalp, and olive oil is great for doing that as well and also shines your hair. So these items, ingredients all together will help work in great combinations. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start by smashing up my bananas first before I put it in my magic bullets, because it's, you know, this is pretty small, so I want to get both of the bananas in there at the same time. So sometimes when there's too much in there, it doesn't blend all the way. And with this banana hair mask, you do not want any clumps because it'll be hard to wash out. So okay, so now that everything is smashed up, like I said, you don't want any clumps. You can add that in your blender. I know you're probably like, okay, why do you not have a bigger blender? We do, but I just do not want to pull it out right now. I'm being lazy. Okay, so now that that's pretty blended and you don't really see any clumps, you can start adding in your ingredients. So what I'm going to do is add 1 tablespoon of honey. Add your honey. One tablespoon of jojoba oil. One tablespoon of olive oil. And then 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. So now that I added all the ingredients that I want for my mask, as you can see, I have my blender going. Then I'll transfer it over to my tube and my bowl, and then I'm ready to go as long as everything is completely blended. Okay, so take a mental note. This is my hair before the mask. So you can apply this mask 2 ways, either with damp hair after you washed your hair, or you can apply it before on dry hair. I'm applying it on dry hair because I want to see how this mask works. Like I said, this is my first time doing it and I'm not sure how it's going to wash out, so I'd rather do the mask before I get into the shower, so then I can see going forward how it work out for me and if I want to try it again. So it's making my hair feel super soft though, I can say that. And if you did watch my last video, you would have seen where I said that going forward, I'm going to stick to traditional products that has been around a long time, or just natural products in my hair. Because these new products have all these ingredients in there, and sometimes it's adding ingredients that they don't want to share with you, and then just have your hair just broken off. So before I put anything in my hair, I have to research it. I have to see what it's about, what it can do for your hair, all of the benefits, because a lot of things cause my hair to become dry, itchy. My hair rejects a lot of things, so I have to research it to see what it's about. So researching about this banana hair mask helped me to learn all the benefits that it can provide for your hair. It can resolve major issues that you're having, relieves dandruff symptoms, dry, itchy scalp, damaged hair. Also, the potassium in the bananas are helpful to soften and strengthen the strands of your hair to prevent split ends, breakage of your hair, leaving your hair thicker and stronger. So hopefully it can help with managing my hair and getting to my goal of my natural waist length hair, because that's exactly what I want. So let's see. Let's be hopeful for this banana hair mask. So I decided to wrap my hair because I feel like the mask will penetrate in my hair more once it's wrapped. So that's what I'm going to be doing here. This basically helps to seal in all the moisture in your scalp, so you know you're getting all of the benefits of the mask. So, probably wondering why did you wrap your hair, why you didn't do that first, but I wanted to put it in twists first because it's easier to apply the mask into my hair, and then afterwards I can comb it out and wrap it. So, okay, now that my hair is sealed off, I probably will let it stay in my hair for 30 minutes to an hour. So, I'll let that sit. Okay guys, so I did let this hair mask stay in my hair for probably like close to an hour. I wanted to make sure that this mask is really penetrating to my scalp so I can get that extra shine, that extra softness to my hair. So let's see how this did to my hair. So as you guys can see, I'm starting to wash the mask out my hair. My hair feels super soft, I can say that. And the mask is not so hard to wash out. I blended it very well. But I can tell that it's going to be a little hard to wash out completely because after I'm rinsing my hair out, my hair still feels a little sticky. Not so much. That's the only critique about it. But everything else so far, I love how my hair feels soft. My hair feels detangled well. So, you know, I might just try this again. Okay guys, so this is my hair after washing out all of the banana hair mask out of my hair. So this is my hair. I mean, it feels okay, just feels like something is still in my hair. So I'm just gonna go in. Well, it just feels like, I don't know, like it needs to be washed again. I don't know. So what I'm gonna do is just go in and use my Aussie moist conditioner, has avocado, jojoba oil in there. So this is the main reason why I wanted to apply the mask before washing my hair, because I figured this would happen. Even though you guys see me mashed it up, blended very well, there were no clumps. However, I still feel the mask in my hair. Not so much as you can see it. It's just, it still feels sticky. I mean, bananas alone are sticky, so that's probably the main reason why my hair feels that way. Don't get me wrong, my hair feels super soft and I love that part about it. The only critique I would say is that my hair still feels sticky. So that's why you see me going ahead and using my conditioner to relieve some of that stickiness out of my hair, because I don't like that. I don't want to walk around with sticky hair. So that's exactly why I'm going in with my conditioner. And plus, I love this conditioner. It's really good. It's not my first choice, but I do like this conditioner. It makes my hair feel super soft and it smells good. Okay guys, so I just finished washing out the banana hair mask, and I also added in a conditioner, as you've seen earlier, to my hair, just to kind of relieve some of that stickiness. I felt like even though I blended the banana very well, I just still felt it was like still sticking to my hair. So I just went ahead and added in the conditioner just to kind of relieve some of that out of my scalp. But my hair feels cleansed, it feels soft, so let's peep. So this is my hair after everything. So I like it. I'll probably do it again. I like how thick it is. I like how soft it is. I do still smell the banana in my hair though. I'm not gonna lie. But I love it. I like how volume my hair is. Thick. It's a little dry though. I can tell that it's a little dry like at the top, but it's a work in progress. But I do like how everything is. But I do thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.